Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is our journal of reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 31st of March till the 6th of April. The roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You will find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. And it's life changing. So let's start. Libra, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. We have the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, there's a sense of stability, there's a sense of security here. There's a sense of, okay, Libra is doing really good in their life and they are, being very stable and safe and secure person to go ahead with. Okay, let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Maybe it's the exact opposite of what I just said. Sometimes it happens when we clarify. Some digging is required. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, and the High Priestess. Someone is wondering if you are single and available. Someone sees you as a marriage material kind of a person, as a person who is very stable, very mature, very grounded, and doing really good in their life, but they can't stop thinking whether you are single or available or not, even if you are, right? They're wondering if you are, open for relationship or open for brand new beginning or something like that. Okay, for some of you, your silence is killing somebody. You are silent as a wall, and this person is not liking this silence. This person is kind of making their stories in their head and trying to figure out what's going on in your life. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Seven of Swords. So from your side, you feel like either you feel like you should like keep your things to yourself, keep something hidden, and or you got to know something about this person and you're pretending that you don't. Okay, let's clarify the Seven of Swords here. There's a sense of deceptiveness in the situation right now. At least you're getting that. Okay, let's clarify. Oh, okay. We have the King of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, the Lovers. Wow. Wow. So it might be very much possible that you are dealing with two people, two energies at the same time, and you just don't want to reveal it to the other person here. And or your person is dealing with somebody else also, and you know it, but they don't know that you know, and you are just pretending to be like, okay, I don't know, and everything is fine, kind of a deal. Something is going on behind the scenes that you either know or trying to hide, and you're just trying to play it cool. But it's not cool at all. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Two of Pentacles. Their intention is to stabilize the situation somehow, stabilize this connection, stabilize this situation, whatever is applicable. This is very on and off, in and out kind of a situation, and they want the stability. Okay, the clarity also, you can say. There's a confusion, there's a lot of confusion going on. Wow, I hate doing third party readings, but this reading is becoming a third party reading here. This person wants clarity whether you want to be with somebody else or you want to be with them. This person definitely wants to clear the air with you regarding this two people, two energies that they are dealing with, maybe you are dealing with, and both of you are kind of in this on and off, in and out kind of a dynamic. So this person definitely wants to clear the air with you regarding where they stand like in your life and what's next in this situation. Okay, it's kind of a lot of people here, a lot of people here are involved in the situation. Court cards are people only, right? So we have the Queen of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, the King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles again. Then we have the like Lovers and the High Priestess. Not a good combination. So there's something going on in the situation that's very messy, and maybe both of you know it, but both of you are pretending to be cool about it or pretending to be not knowing it. But one of you is definitely trying to hide something from the other person that the other person might know, or intuitively they feel like that, but they are just trying to be cool about it. Like, okay, I don't know. and this person is definitely feeling like getting the answer here. Crystal clear energy of where am I standing in this situation, and what's next. Let's see, what do you feel, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Five of Cups. So from your side, you just want to get out of this feeling like disappointed all the time in this love and relationship dynamics kind of a thing. You just want to heal yourself properly, and then you want to move ahead in your life. Let's clarify the Five of Cups here. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Devil, and the Ten of Swords, right? See, you are tired of being disappointed. You are tired of, putting in the effort and energy into something that is unhealthy, toxic, not a good energy. Third parties, there are lots of obstacles and challenges that you're facing in this area of your life, specifically with this particular person or energy that you are dealing with right now. Maybe you're not, maybe you guys are not even talking to each other, but energetically you guys are very much connected to each other. So you just want to put an end to this third parties, or whatever you call it, and this toxicity and negativity, and you want to have something solid, something that is going to stick around, something that is good for you and meant for you. Yeah, that's the deal for you right now. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 6th of April. What could be the possible outcome here? Five of Wands. Okay, it's like some kind of chaos, some kind of internal conflict, you can say. It's like let me clarify the Five of Wands. It's like things going in circles and no conclusion, and both of you are tired, but none of you is giving up. Wow. So both of you are manifesting happiness without clearing the air, without clearing the mess, without cleaning the mess. At least one of you is trying to pretend to be okay with the whole situation, and everything is right now so messed up that if I'm going to talk to you, you might cry. Hmm? This is what is happening in the situation. So I do see this manifestation of a wish fulfillment, manifestation of a beautiful relationship. But when it comes to this energy of taking some kind of action, you guys are like, there are so many obstacles, there are so many challenges, there are so many people, it's impossible. So the manifestation of having a wish fulfillment is going to be there for you guys, but in actuality I don't see in the 3D world anything changing until unless you guys are going to change something in this dynamics from both the sides actually. Wow, that's difficult. For you, the guidance here is the Page of Cups. If you feel like that you should open up from your side, and you should do something about this situation, do it with all of your heart and soul, and do it with this kind of energy of forgiveness and love and compassion, right? If you're not able to do anything about this situation, give this love and compassion, and give this energy of everything is going to work out in your favor to yourself. Hmm? Self love, self care, self healing is the most important factor in the whole universe that can help you keep going in your life. Okay, so if you can help like this situation to go in a particular direction and sort it out, please do that from your side. And if you can't, give all of your love and compassion to yourself and keep moving forward. Okay, that's the deal here. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.